Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money by clicking. It is fast, easy, and free website to earn passive income. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Okay, because I know most of you here already want to start generating money online, I won't make this a long video. So the first thing I'll show you are payment proofs from people who have already tried this brand new method. As you can see, a large number of people have benefited from this method. They can earn anywhere from $1 to $3 for each click they make. Yes, you can earn money after just a few clicks using this method. You can see the entire list of persons who have been paid this far by scrolling down below, and it's quite long. I won't go over each one by one because it would be a waste of time. Now I'm going to show you how much money I've made as a result of all of this. As you can see, I've made a lot of money with this platform, and I'd like to help you do the same. As a result, I strongly suggest that you continue to watch. After that, I'll show you the money-making website we'll be using. This website will actually compensate you 20 cents for each click. So in a nutshell, you'll be paid for every click you make. Isn't that easy as pie? We'll compensate you for all clicks you generate with the potential to earn up to 20 cents each visitor, as shown above. So how does it function in reality, you might ask? As a result, whenever a visitor clicks on your affiliate banner or link, on your site or in an email, this website will compensate you for both the first click and the visitor's completion of the process. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a high conversion rate. The best aspect is that anyone with any type of website who wants to start making money right now can participate in this program. Later, I'll show you how to accomplish this right step by step so that you can generate money online merely by using this website. You'll make $20 if you get 100 clicks, and this website will pay you 20 cents every click. If you get 200 clicks, they'll pay you $40. And if you get more than 300, they'll pay you around $76. Consider what it would be like if you did this every day and received more than 500 clicks. It is not necessary to use a website for this. This website can be advertised on search engines, up in forums, tweets, Facebook groups, and anywhere else you want. It's absolutely your decision. Simply refer a visitor to this website and you'll be paid for each click. It's as simple as that. You might be wondering how I collect my money from this website. And the answer is that they use PayPal to do it. All earnings will be paid at the end of each month. The previous month's payments were all made in US dollars, with a $50 minimum payout. You must provide your PayPal email address in order to withdraw your funds. Go to entireweb.com to start earning. The website is a popular form of search engine that is used by millions of people all around the world. EntireWeb currently processes millions of searches every month and is a trusted partner of internationally famous search engines like ExactSeek and IXQuick, which rely on EntireWeb for high-quality search results. In a nutshell, EntireWeb.com is similar to Google and that it allows you to do any form of web search, allowing you to find almost anything. Simply type what you're looking for in the box and hit enter. So if you're seeking for information on how to make money online, simply enter it and hit the search button. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. EntireWeb.com will return a number of results, all of which are related to making money online or whatever you were searching for. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there are a lot of results relating to making money online. You can view some photos related to the subject by clicking on the images. There are also video and news searches on this website. So while there are a lot of topics you can search for here, the big distinction is that this website will actually pay you money for every click you get. It not only you can look for anything here, but you can also make money doing so. Isn't it fantastic? Let's imagine you're looking for something on the internet and bam! Your PayPal account has been credited with money. As a result, affiliate marketing is the only way for our website to make money. If you share a particular link with others and they click on it, you will earn money. They do this because they want more people to use their search engine. Thus, they're willing to pay affiliates for their efforts. So the next step is to create an account on this website. Don't worry, the sign-up process is absolutely free and accessible from anywhere on the earth. So in the comments box below, tell me where you're from and I'll make more videos for your country in the future. I'll now walk you through the process of registering for this website. The first step is to go to the right side of the screen and click the Create Account button. After that, you'll be taken to the website where you'll have to fill out your personal information. I strongly encourage you to give it a shot and see if you can make money out of it. To finish the sign-up process, check this box to confirm that you agree to their terms and conditions. Then click the green button to continue. You now have your own account on EntireWeb.com, and you can begin making money from affiliate links immediately after registering. I'll teach you a unique bonus strategy to help you generate more money utilizing this method, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. The website I'm about to show you will help you generate clicks and profits from the entire internet. Hercules.com is the name of the website, and it simply allows users to promote to thousands of people for free every day. What's great about this website is that it's been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers all over the world for nearly 2 decades, and they supply you with 100% real traffic, which means actual people who will visit your website. There must be no fake traffic or bots before you can use Hercules. To get started, simply click the Get Started button to be taken to this page, where you will be required to submit some personal information. Simply fill in the blanks. Then check this box before clicking Create Account when you're finished. You'll be directed to this website after completing out the form, where you can choose whatever membership plan you want to receive. And as I previously indicated, you won't have to pay anything because they have a free membership package that we can choose right away. You can now utilize Hercules to get more people to click on your entire web affiliate link by using Hercules. Now I'll show you how to use Hercules to boost your clicks. Simply click this button once you've logged into your account to be taken to this page where you may place an ad. You'll need to scroll down and pick a standard mailer. You'll need a subject line, an affiliate link, and an ad body for the topic line. You must first type something that will catch people's attention, such as, will this new search engine entirely replace Google? And then place the affiliate link right here. Finally, you must complete the ad content, and you must type something that will stand out once more. Remember to use phrases like free, new, and simple after you've finished those. Simply post your ad and sit back while money is transferred to your PayPal account. Simply do this every day to fully experience the revolutionary strategy's full potential. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by clicking. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.